Okay, so the plan for today is exhaust. Voila! New oil, new wipers. We go. Well, yes.
Kijk, nu zit hij wel goed vast.
Woep woep.
Oh ja, twee dingen.
Hell yeah.
Hey, weet je hij daar eigenlijk?
All the exhaust is off. It's gonna be a pretty easy job. Straightforward, little bend. Eh. Ben je bekend voor? Okay, so I cut off the old flange to weld the 2.5-inch adapter to it, and then we can start fabricating the exhaust. Okay, so the first weld is done. Welded the coupler to the flange. The plan for the concerto is to make it a bit silent, bit less louder, because it's daily. Okay, so now I'm welding up a little piece to the silencer. Then the silencer will be welded to the long pipe we already have, and then we're almost halfway done. So.
As it goes by surprise, my mentor passed on and passed the one to be emergency for my enemies who wanna murder me. Eat the worm, motherfucker, when you burn, motherfucker, better kill me, don't let me return.
Weld is done. Welds don't look good. I'm sorry, but yeah. Okay, so this is where I'm at the moment. Still need to do few more bends, but we're getting there. Hopefully I get this done by tonight, because I want my daily back. Okay, so this is where we at now. This bend, then wait, so now a little straight, then another small bend, then a straight all the way through there, and then from that moment we just have to make this piece, and then we're gonna connect that with an exhaust clamp, because I can't weld it completely, because it has to go through my control arm. So yeah. So first part is now completely done. We are now making the end tips on the muffler. I don't know if look, it's over there. We just have to do the end tips, the thing we're gonna do with the clamp. So now I'm loosening this up, and gonna weld it together to the flange, and then the hangers, and done. This fucking weld looks insane. Well. Ugly as well, but that's, yeah, can't do shit about it. Yeah. Oh, there. Yes. 100% yes. Hangers are on. Yes, hangers are on. Time to make it shine. Done. Looking good. I can see myself again. Hi. Yeah.
Basta tent. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I whirlwind through cities, influential, scientific power. My mental violence will shower, devour at a crazy rate. Yeah, I whirlwind through cities, influential, scientific power. My mental violence will shower, devour at a crazy rate. Yeah, I whirlwind through cities, influential, scientific power. My mental violence will shower, devour at a
They say it's lonely at the top, and whatever you do, you always gotta watch motherfuckers around you. Nobody's invincible, no plan is foolproof. We all must meet our moment of truth. The same shiesty cats that you hang with and do your thing